Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is AMMI and today we are diving into the exciting case study on how we have supercharged our clients' customized car accessory sales. If you are into the automotive industry and want to drive more sales for your unique car accessories, you want to miss this video. In terms of the client overview, our client specializes in providing a wide range of customized car accessories from personalized seat covers to custom lighting and the decals. They wanted to boost their online visibility and increase sales by reaching car enthusiasts and the vehicle owners through the targeted Google AdWords campaign. In terms of the client objective, the primary goal was to increase the online sales by at least 50% within the 6 months. Additionally, the client aimed to improve the brand recognition among the car enthusiasts and maximize the return on investment from their ad spend. In terms of the challenges faced, before we dive into the steps, let's talk about some of the challenges we faced during this campaign. First is the high competition. Car accessories are also one of the most competitive markets since many companies target consumers who are interested in buying the car accessories. Local targeting, it was essential to reach out to the appropriate target market interested in the personalized accessories, but it was not extremely easy. The next is the budget management. Here we were dealing with a mid-sized budget, and this is why it was important to get the maximum results from every dollar invested. The next is in terms of the strategies. To overcome these challenges, we have implemented a strategic approach focused on targeted advertising, budget optimization and continuous improvement. The next is the targeted advertising, interest and the behavior targeting. We have targeted ads towards car enthusiasts and the vehicle owners who had shown interest in the car accessories, modifications and DIY car projects. Next is the custom audiences. By leveraging the custom audiences, we have focused on users who had previously visited the automotive website or the search for specific car accessories. The next is the A/B testing. We have conducted the A/B testing on the different ads and creatives to identify what resonated best with our target audience. This helped us to allocate the budget to higher performing ads. The next is the smart bidding. We have utilized the smart bidding to optimize the campaign for ensuring that our bids were competitive yet cost effective. The next is the compelling ads. We have been highlighting the unique selling points. Our ads emphasize the uniqueness of our customized accessories such as bespoke design, high quality materials and exclusive offers. The next is the visuals and videos. We have used eye-catching images and short video clips showcasing the transformation of cars with customized accessories, making the ads more engaging and appealing. The next is the ad scheduling. We have used the event-based targeting. The ads were scheduled around major automotive events and the holidays when car enthusiasts are more likely to shop for the accessories. The next is the time-based adjustment. We also adjusted the ad schedule to run during peak shopping time such as the weekend and the evenings when people are most likely to make the online purchases. In terms of the results of this campaign were outstanding. Within 5 months saw an increase of 55% in the online sales, translating to an additional $120,000 in terms of revenue. Not only that, but the CPA was also reduced by almost 20%, significantly improving their overall return on investment. The brand also gained better recognition, resulting in a 30% increase in repeat customers and a surge in positive reviews. In terms of the conclusion, this case study demonstrates how a well-planned Google AdWords campaign can make a huge difference in the competitive world of customized car accessories. If you are looking to take your sales to the next level, consider these strategies to optimize your Google AdWords campaign. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights.